All right. I accidentally stopped that video. I'd forgotten that there's part C. So it says here, we want to look, how long does it take for the size of the circle to quadruple in its size? So here's the formula we just found out to be true earlier. And we also could figure out what the original area was. So the original area, I'll do it a sub 0, that means original or starting point, was you'd use pi r squared. And the original radius was 25. So if I type this in, 25 squared is 625, and so it'd be 625 pi square units, all right? So, or pixels square. That's the original, all right? So what I want, if I want it to quadruple in size, then what I would need to say is that I need to times that by 4. So 4 times 625 pi is 2500 pi pixels squared. That's what I want to get to. All right, so I need this to equal 2500 pi. So that's what I would set equal to. And now I could solve this in the calculator. Now how I'm going to do that is I'll type in the left side is F1 and the right side is F2. And I will see when these match each other. Now, instead of t's, we'll substitute with x's. So let's go to our calculator. And from here, we're going to go to graphs. Now, the first equation I said is 2500 pi. And the pi button is on the bottom left right there. That's where you'll go to that. That's our first equation. And then our second equation, whoa, what just happened there? Our second equation was 625 pi plus 500 pi t. But instead of t, we're going to put an x. Plus 100 pi t squared. 100 pi. And again, instead of t, we'll put an x squared. I hit enter. Now I have this graph. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go menu, zoom, fit. And this hopefully will show us, yeah, here's our two pictures. Now, it looks like they intersect twice, so that's what we want to find out is when those two equations are equal. So you can press menu, analyze graph, and you can look for the intersection. Now, if we went over to the left, we find out that when x is negative 7.5, they match. But that, remember, this is time, so that's an impossible answer. We don't have negative time. So I'm going to analyze it again, but this time I'm going to do the intersection on the right side. And it says at 2.5 seconds we have an intersection. So that should be our answer. So this is a good answer. And so we would say that time would equal 2.5 seconds because that is the time when they intersect. That's unreasonable.